beat the odds. Back against the wall, lace my boots and stood up tall. Told my niggas I won't fall. I'm just trying to beat the odds, yeah. I'm just trying to beat the odds, yeah.
All right, guys, I got my package in today. I have, let's just see what it is. Man, we have the CHJ Pro. These clippers are made in China. They are the cordless. Well, they are the cordless brand of the China Whal Detailer. The CHJ Pro Professional. You can use the cord or it's cordless. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, that was actually backwards. All right, so cord right there, the little brush. We have auto guards for it. This is good, come in handy if you need to knock like a mustache down or something like that. And you have the actual clipper. This is it, guys. Pretty much this Whal Detailer, but China beat everybody else to making this clipper before Whal did. So this is what you have. It's called CHJ Pro Professional. It's not a very big clipper at all, man. It actually feels real good in your hand. You know, as you can see, pretty much the same blade as the Detailer. Feels real good in your hand, though. You can use this. This is pretty cool. You can use this part to hang it up. You know, if you have clipper hangers. And this is the charging cable that comes with it. It's actually just a USB cord that makes it universal, where you can just plug it in, unplug your phone charger and just plug that in and it'll charge right up. I think it takes like an hour, or you can charge it up from your computer. So there it is, guys. I'll be doing a more in-depth review on it after I sharpen the blade and show how they cutting. It also comes with a little owner's manual. Go through that, see if I need to know anything. I didn't see any oil. I don't think it comes with any oil. That's kind of strange. Yeah, I don't see any oil. Yeah, so that's all it comes with. It comes with the charger, a little charger cable, a little brush, the manual, and you have the actual guards. So it don't come with oil. We're going to try it out. I'll give you guys a review of it later on. All right.